Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai Accent Active, stock reference number 58084. This shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2019. It is a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left front door has a small fold on the front edge. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Park sensor type rear bumper. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right front door has a couple of large dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.